So in this video we will install some amazing VS Code extensions. So let's open VS Code editor, and when you go to this extension section, and yeah, one more important thing, just don't get confused that what is this demo. Okay, this is just a folder that I have created just to mind mapping, right? Just before recording my tutorials I just mind map something. Okay, that what I have to give you in today tutorials like this. Okay, so there I mind map just to write some rough codes, right? Fine. Now so let's focus on our tutorial here right now. So we have to click on this extension and let's install some amazing extension. So first one is image preview. So image preview, yeah, let's see the image preview by Kistamash, this one. So I will just install it. Okay, perfect. Now there are benefits of these extensions. I will definitely show you. So the second one is just erase it and let's write color highlight. One is color highlight. You have to install this one. This is also good. So this extension will just highlight the CSS colors when you write any colors in the CSS. Yes, so it will really help at that time, color selection. Okay, now the one is auto rename tag. Okay, this auto rename tag is also very good, so you have to install this one. Auto close tag is here also, right? Auto rename is here also, so I'll just click here. Okay, so it will install the auto rename tag. Now perfect here. Okay, so I have installed these things. Now let's see what happens after this installation. So let's open our blog, and yeah, this is our blog.html. now move above little bit. Now when you see here, when you just see here your image is previewing now. How? Because we have installed that image preview extension. So wherever you will use the image, okay, wherever you will use the image like image element, and there if you give the right source, suppose let me just incorrect it, now save it. So now my image preview is not coming. Why? Because it is not correctly here I have not given the correct source, right? So I have to specify the correct source. So I'm just correcting it and save it. Now again it is starting showing off here. So this is the benefit of image preview. So suppose you are writing 1000 lines of code, 2000 lines of code, and there you don't need to just open always Chrome and you have to see whether my image is loading or not loading, right? Here also you can take the benefit of this image preview. Now one more amazing benefit that we got from this extension is like let's suppose I want to change this header tag. Okay, suppose tomorrow I have to work with some div tag. So when I write div C, it is already changing, right? When I write a see, just when I'm writing header HEADER like this, and when you just click here, okay, hit enter, right, and save it. So now see, both the closing and this opening tag is just getting done by once, right? When you just let me just erase it and let me just write footer. Okay, now when I hit the footer, see, my opening tag and my closing tag also is like coming together. So this is the benefit. You don't need to write every time close, right? So this is the benefit of this. As of right now I will do just a header here, because this is the this is the final element here. Perfect. Now so this one is the benefit. Now one more benefit was from auto rename tag. This was the auto rename tag and color highlights, right? So color highlights I can't show you as of right now. Slowly we will move in CSS tutorials, then there we will see the benefit of that color highlights. Okay, now here one more important setting is there. So just go to file and go to this preferences, then go to the settings, and there just search auto close. So when you just search auto close, where it is coming or not, auto close tag maybe here, Yes, here if you can see in enable disable auto closing of HTML tag, so make sure you have checked it out. Okay, this HTML auto closing tag. Here what happened actually when you close like not close, actually when you write any tag, let's say I'm just writing division tag, when I hit enter, now see what happens here. So it closes my tag automatically, so I don't need to close each and every time. So this is the very important thing, or it can save lots of time as when you write HTML and CSS code. So this is the important thing. So I hope you have you will do it right, sure. So yeah, you have to install these extensions, and fine, then do it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.